Hi everyone, day 3 of 30 days of straight coding. So today I wanted to show you the website I built a couple months ago, which is Den Online Store, denstore.enk.icu. It's currently public right now. And so how I built this website, it does have a carousel and some animation using ChatCN UI, Sternity, these UIs. And if you go to, this is not Russian by the way, this is Mongolian. And if you go to this means like home, this means like products. If you go to products, you'll see all the cards with different products. If you just click on this is all used to ChatCN, and those images are used by Apple's CDN. This is pretty much Apple's image, and there's some small YouTube video, and there are some similar products that are recommended here, and they can buy, they can share stuff. So that's what I built. On backend side, this project is purely made with entirely made with Next.js. Even backend side, I used Next.js server actions, so I don't have to switch between different frameworks and like that. I use PNPM. So how I built it. By the way, I didn't show you that the one special feature, which is admin. When you just go to admin, it will ask you to log in. I already logged in, so it will ask you to log in, and after you're logged in, you can manage your products. It's like admin panel, which is integrated. If you want to edit product, you can publish and unpublish it. You can edit it like here, or you can, if you want to add new product, let's say let's add MacBook Pro M5, something like that, and then you can generate customization, generate specification, and also other original price description but with AI. It just uses LLM under hood. Which LLM I forgot. I'll actually check it. GPT-4o, 4o mini, yeah, that's what I use currently. That's how it generates. And if there's some information that are different, you can just edit with the comma separated. Reason why I do the comma separated is because if you comma separate it, you can see specifications with those bullet points. It gives a better visibility. And then there's a small feature called price calculation. So whenever I sell stuff, I need to calculate the price. I want to have a commission fee, shipping fee, and recycling fee, everything. That's how I calculate it. And then if you just put a US dollar, it finalizes price with the Mongolian turok. So you have this. You can include a video, or you don't have to include it. For images, I don't have any right now. I'm using Vercel Blob, which is very similar to S3 bucket. Under the hood, I believe it's using Amazon S3 bucket, and you can upload the pictures to add new pictures, or if it's some pictures that already has the stock, some logo credit in it, you can just, let's say, you can just use that Google image CDN, just image URL, copy image address, and then just paste it here, and that's it. And if you just go to view product, it will by default it doesn't really publish it. And then when you click publish, it publishes it. So that's how it works. You can also see view orders and how many orders you have made, and links there. When I also enabled the emailing service, it uses the Zoho under the hood, Zoho.com, and it uses Zoho to email with a node mailer. Whenever customer buy a product, or whenever a customer make a purchase, you receive an email. That's all it does. This is the project I built a couple of months ago, and it's a very simplified version of actual e-commerce website like Shopify, but it's self-hostable. You can just host in Vercel and use Vercel Blob or S3 bucket. You can bring your own S3 bucket for image storage. And database, I use Neon. I believe Neon is my favorite database so far, because it's serverless, and you can scale up depending on customers. It auto scales. It's really awesome. And Prisma for database ORM. Prisma is pretty awesome. I haven't tried Drizzle yet, but I will try Drizzle to make comparison with it. But so far I use Prisma for everything for JavaScript project. But if I use Python, I use SQL Alchemy. And also Prisma also works with Python. So this is actual my product library. I mean Next.js structure. Admin has a lot of stuff like settings, order, login, and those are functionalities that we have. And then server actions for adding data to the database, and left of types order actions. Yeah, that was the day 3 of. So yeah, that's it. See you tomorrow. I'm posting every day.